Hi people, welcome back to my channel. It's been long you saw me. Actually, I've been busy planning for this particular birthday. So I'm here to get a car for my baby. Her birthday. This birthday I've been planning since I said this vlog. I'm going to end it on Sunday, so I'll rest. You guys rest. We'll talk about something else. So I'm going to get a car for her entrance. So I'm looking for a Range Rover, a big one. Don't throw me down, double seater. So you can see where I am. So I've not seen what I want actually, but I've seen something similar to that. I actually want to go for Range Rover. I want to go for Range Rover, bigger size, but they don't have it in white. They have it in red, and I don't want red. I want my baby to be twinning in white. My car is white. So, and their Lexus is small. I want a big car. So they are giving me this option, Benz and that Lexus 570. And the Lexus 570 is kind of looking like old man's car. I actually don't like it. So I'm waiting for them to get their Benz. Let me compare, because they don't have Range Rover in white, and I actually want white. So this is how it's like. To get here, I had to cross the canal. I didn't even get my phone out. This is on the island. I'm in Lagos Island right now. So I'll show you guys around anyway. I'll show you guys around. So this vlog won't just be about shopping of a car. I'll show you guys how most of our gifts are still coming in. Yes. Chair. They're looking for this thing. They can't be. No big,
Madam, I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want. By thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit.
How frozen. Wow! This is so fun! See my baby! What we going very far? Hey, yeah! Hey, she wants to try because this is so nice.
Zim.
Wow!
Wow.
Coming in. Still coming in, no more to come. Hi people, welcome back to my channel. So today is Wednesday. I'm out. I've been in traffic for 2 hours now. First of all, I'm going for my teeth checkup, and I want to pick up something. So I want to pick up my baby's car, and I want to go for my teeth appointment. But you guys, I left my house since 10 a.m. and I'm still in traffic, and I don't have a wristwatch, but it's past 12. It's almost 12:30. I'm still stuck on the same spot. You see Lagos traffic, eh? It's humble you. Me that was leaving, I was just like, I'm going to meet up. I'm going early. Like I even said, I'll go to my friend's place, sit around before leaving. And finally, my car is moving. Hold on, let me drive. So people, we are stuck again here. We are stuck again. At least we'll stay here for the next 30 minutes before it to just move a little again. Just look behind me. See trailers. So this one is even trying to come out again, and I'll make sure I bypass this one. As I was saying, actually this lane is moving. I would have followed this lane. Well, I don't know. You know one thing about Lagos traffic, when you think this place is the right, when you follow your instincts, that's when you just miss it. So as I was saying, this birthday is coming with a lot of stress. I was sick, but I'm fine now. I just need to get done with this party and rest. To be sincere, at the point I was just like, after my baby's birthday passed, her actual date passed, I was just like, oh, I'm even tired of the party. But I've started inviting people. I was just like, we've done something for her. We've cut our cake. We've done this. We've done that. So I'm just too lazy to continue with this stress. But I just need to call kids and do something for them. I'm grateful to God. At least, you were not there. If you, at least I just need to thank God for that thing she swallowed, for saving her. God has been good. So I just need to go for this Thanksgiving, and I just need to do it. I just need to call kids around and do something. So yes, I've been getting messages from you guys. How is the preparation going? How is everything? Everything is going fine. Everything is going well. I guess this is the last vlog you will see before that day. After that day, you now see the birthday vlog, because it is a whole lot. Sometimes I'll just feel like, am I preparing for Zim's wedding? I'll be her birthday. I don't even get anymore. Someone was just telling me, my dear, don't stress yourself. At the end of the day, no one is the best. I'm not actually trying to get the best. I just want to make kids happy. I just want to throw a party for kids to come and have fun. Yes, that's my aim. If I'm inviting anybody, I'll just say, please come with your kids, please. I just want kids to be happy. That's all. In as much as Zim, I know Zim will not even have my time that day. You guys, I have good news.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though
She's walking, and I didn't vlog her first step. She actually started walking on her birthday, but I was just like, is she joking or what? Because her first step was on her birthday, but I didn't take it straight because she didn't continue. So after like 1 week, she started walking. You can't even believe that nothing was causing this traffic. Absolutely nothing. Nothing was causing the traffic. So people, I'm here to pick up. I need to pick up my baby's car. I'm trying to find the house. They said it's to God be the glory. I'm trying to find. Okay, here's the house. I've seen it. To God be the glory. This is the house. They said the second gate. This is the house I'm looking for. I think I'll park in front of their gate. Maybe. Let me just go to the park. Yes. Let's go in and see. Can I enter my boot, right? Can you enter here? Let me come and help. Are you sure? I'm not seeing this now, something that went down here. It's enter like this now without the carton. It's empty. Let's try it. So that you don't scratch. The remote is inside, right? This car is inside my car. So this is I'm going to Hilton Dental. Hilton Dental.
Good afternoon.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want.
Whose birthday is it?
It's her same fault. She's been
Okay, Sam. I'm what is even doing the Bugaya? Now you come. So you guys are fun actually. All of you are just. Yes. Yes, I need to get this food. This rice. My friend just introduced me to this rice. This is their stand. So after my clinic visit, it's just right beside my dental clinic. So I just there to get it. I actually use the money to buy foodstuffs to cook rice. So I use the money I use to buy the food. So guys, I just put my wig. I also eat this food. Can you see the crisps? See? Small eggs and meat inside the. This is chicken sauce though. Chicken sauce well garnished. I'm so wicked. I didn't call you guys to come and eat. Please, I'm so sorry about that. Hope you enjoyed my vlog. Hope you enjoyed watching. I've been so busy and I hope to put out more content out there. Please subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. See you next time. Bye.